Ok, ជំរាបសួរកូនកូននៅផ្ទះពិតជាអបសុខមែនទេ So hello students in grade 4 I'm sure that you stay at home must be bored and some of you may play a lot of games but this is not good. Your parents may want you to study. So now today teacher would like to video about your lessons. You can open your book page 67. We talk about what actually is about page 65, but this is just only unit 5. And let me read a little bit about the unit 5. What we have in the unit 5 is about sentences. Now let me read for you. A sentence refers to or expresses a complete idea. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. You can see your book on page 65 again. Page 65, okay? So this is just what teacher read for you. Now you can turn to page 67 because I need to skip page 66, which is the song only. So now I would like to go to page 67. Page 67, we talk about declarative and interrogative sentences. One is talk about declarative sentence, which is positive sentence. Interrogative sentence refer to a question. So now let me read for you for clear. Declarative sentence tells something. It ends with a period. An interrogative sentence asks something. It ends with a question mark. So the only tool that you need to understand is about one, a positive sentence, declarative, okay? And second is about questions. I mean like a question sentence, okay? So now let me example number 1. I have a house. This is what we call a declarative sentence. Now, another example is about questions. You can make any kind of question. For example, like, what time do you sleep? So this is what we call interrogative sentence, okay? In section C and section D are your homework, okay? You need to make sure that you read the section C and D carefully. Otherwise you cannot answer correctly. But I'm sure because I already example for you, you can do it, okay? Now I can read number 1 for you about section C. But first of all I need to read about the guidelines of section C. Write if the sentence is a declarative or an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence refer to a question sentence, okay? Now, number 1. A long time ago, rose bushes didn't have thorns. So, can you guess the sentence that I just read? Is it a question or a declarative sentence, or refer to a positive sentence? Now, let me give you your answer. Number one that I just read is the answer positive sentence or declarative sentence. Okay? Now, starting from number 2 until number 7, you can do it by yourself at home. Okay? And you just post it to me through Messenger or Telegram, any kind of program which I will give you later. Okay? Section C, let me read the guidelines. Unscramble the sentences, add the correct punctuations. The word punctuation refer to like a period, like this, or a comma, or a question, or bracket, and so on. Okay? I hope you understand because you already learned about this already. Okay? Now, let me go on to next page, page 68. Are you with me? Page 68 is talking about imperative and exclamatory sentences. Imperative and exclamatory sentences in Khmer we call imperative ពាក្យបង្គាប់បញ្ជា okay, and exclamatory sentences refer to ប្រយោគដែលធ្វើឲ្យភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលរំភើបឬក៏រំជួលចិត្ត okay. So imperative in English referring to the a command or order something or order from one person to another. For example, if I am your teacher, I can ask you to do homework. So it is similar like the word imperative. Okay. Another one is about exclamatory sentence. For example, like today it is my birthday. So let me write the sentences for you. Number one, I just mentioned about imperative. Example here is about please do your homework. Sorry. Please do your homework tonight. So this is called imperative sentence. Now another example is about exclamatory sentence referring to an exciting sentence, something like that. Now example, today is my birthday. See? Now you need to use exclamatories. You need to use this one. Okay? This is what we call exclamatory exclamation. Okay? This word called exclamation. Okay? I say again, referring to an exciting times or exciting feeling that you need to do with your emotion. Okay. Now section E, this is your homework. Okay. There are only two options for you that you can choose. One is about full stop. or period is when you read section E, you will know which one is which one, right? For example, they say circle the correct punctuations. So they give you multiple choices, 3 multiple choices. One is about full stop or period. Second, they give you about question mark. The last one, they give you exclamation. Okay? So now I hope you can guess. You can circle if number 1 you think is the question, you just circle. Okay? If number 2, if you think it is full stop or period, you just circle. Okay? Circle full stop. Okay? So now, are you clear? If you are not clear, you can ask me through Telegram or Messenger. Okay? Now, I would like to go on to the page 69. They also mention about the declaration and imperative too. So because they are the same between page 68 and 69, so I just give you only homework. Okay? Now the homework here a little bit different from section E. In section E that I give you is about circle the punctuation only. But page 69, they want you to do through the guideline in section A. Now, let me read for you. Add the correct punctuation. Write D for declarative, IM for imperative, IN for interrogative, and E for exclamatory. Write F for a sentence fragment. Okay? So, what is a sentence fragment? Let me talk in Khmer. A fragment sentence referring to the sentence. Oh, I talk in Khmer. ជាប្រយោគដែលវាដាច់ចេញពីគ្នាឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជាប្រយោគមួយដែលគេនិយាយអំពីclear មួយដែលមានពាក្យប្រយោគដូចជាខ្ញុំទាញត្រេមួយស្រឡាញ់គាត់អូខេ I love him. This is just for example, okay? Well, anyway, in these sections, they are almost the same to section E. So, if you can do section E, you also can do section A, page 69, okay? Now, next page. This page is the last one, page 70, okay? Page 70, we just want you to remember all sentences from the previous that I just taught you, from page 65 to page 69, okay? But however, they also give you 4 points to note. One is about a capital letter. Remember, when you start to write a sentence, you need to start with a capital letter. In Khmer, we call asar thom. Okay. Second point is about period. You need to remember these just 4 points. One is about capital letter. For example, like, okay, well, let me write capital letter. Okay. Second is about period. I mean full stop. Okay. In Khmer we call អក្សរធំ okay. សញ្ញាខណ្ឌ number 3 is about question mark. So question mark, I just put this. The last one is about exclamation mark. Exclamation mark, well, I just write actually I want to write it short, but no needed. Just here. Okay. So you just put these 4 signs into the section B, okay? So if you have any question, you can ask me through the Telegram or the Messenger, okay? Which I need to give you later through Zoom. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you.